Hi friends, so this video shows how to download and install VirtualBox. So here I am going to download VirtualBox 6.1.6. So you can go to this site, then click on this Windows host, then download this file. So I already downloaded this file. So this is the file. So let me open it. Then click on next, next, next. Yes, click on install. So now it's installing VirtualBox 6.1. Click on yes. So here it's asking for would you like to install this device software. Click on install. Okay, installation completed. Click on finish. Okay. So now here you can see VirtualBox 6.1. So if you want to create a new VM, you can click on. So let me try this option, new. Then give a name for the virtual machine, VM1. Then here you can select the location where you want to create this disk. So I have changed that location. Then here you can see the type of machine you are going to create. Let me select Linux. Here we can select the version Ubuntu 64. Then next. Then here you can specify the memory. Then next. Here you can select the hard disk type. Let me click on create. Then click on next. Next, disk size you can select here. Let me click on create. Okay, now I have created a virtual machine. So if you start it, it will not work. So you have to go to settings and create an ISO file. In settings, click on storage, then click on this MG, then click here, then choose a disk, then select the ISO file, then click on OK. Before that, if you want to select the network, you can select the network here. You can select the different network adapters. Then click on OK. So after that, we can start the VM. Click on start. Click on start. Actually, it's failed. Let me check what is the reason. So failed to attach Ethernet adapter. So let me go to settings, network, then let me deselect this option, then start it. Okay, now it's working, I think. Yeah, see, it's booting. So this way we can install VirtualBox and create a virtual machine. So you have to go through the installation and complete it.